Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Andy, and I'm here for another video from Andy's Development Studio. This one's going to be a quick one. I just wanted to quickly run over. I just got off of work, so I just wanted to touch base with you guys and just kind of show you around some of the new edits that I made on the Rookery here on the website. And I'm pretty excited about these edits. I made these over the last couple of days, and I think you guys are going to love some of this stuff. It's really good, especially for people who are trying to help me test my website. So let's go. All right. So the first thing I have here is the beacon, and what the beacon does is the beacon tells you, kind of gives you an idea of what I'm doing. Um, so sometimes I'm out trekking, sometimes I'm actually here working on things here in town, and that kind of thing. So it's just a little place for me to sort of update everybody and just say like, hey, I'm busy, or hey, I'm working on the website right now. So you can look at that and kind of play with that and have that fun with that. And then I have my instructions. I actually have some testing directives now. And what I've done here is I've created a couple of links specifically to the Discord where we do our communications. And also, I've created a Google group that you can join if you want to test my apps. A little bit more professionally than you can actually get on the testing roster by joining that group and then getting on Discord. I'm going to have to take the links off of the page, unfortunately, and use Discord as a sort of like a bouncer because I don't want to get hit by the bots. You know what I mean? Like, the bots will come in, they'll take over, and they'll just start writing all over everything. So having these links here is actually a bad idea, and it's kind of like against the grain. I really wanted to make this as smooth as possible, but because of hackers, we got to work through a few security things. So if I put those links behind a Discord link, then we don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So, anyways, you just go ahead and join the Discord so you can communicate with me and other testers. We'll definitely test your products. I think I'm starting to realize now that there's a little bit of a demand for people to actually test each other's applications. Oh, and there went the lights. Okay, I'm gonna turn that back on. And so there's a little bit of a demand for testers, for other independent developers out there who, maybe there's always people on Reddit that are trying to get people to test their apps, and I'm trying to get people to test mine. And it's kind of like a beggars game, and I just think that's a little bit ridiculous. So I guess my website might serve as a portal for like other independent developers to show up, and we can all test each other's apps. So that's something to keep in mind, something I'm thinking about. Okay, so we go down through here. You join the Discord, you go through all of that, and then you come down here and you've got the bounty board. Now, here on the bounty board, this is specific, like quests or goals that I'm creating for you guys to look at and try to figure out what's wrong with the program or specific test cases that you can check out. We come down to the daily composite. This is just sort of a little puzzle that I have. In this case, it's a number for Factor Hunter. Plug it in, see if you can break the program, or if the program can figure out the factors for the number. And it even says down here to report the factors in the guild hall. So that's something to keep in mind. That's kind of fun. So the Anvil, Active Alloys, these are my programs. These are the ones that I'm professionally developing for the Google Play Store and distribution anywhere really, but here I have Factor Hunter. I have a web version that's just an HTML application. That's the one that you see in the Forge, and then I have the actual Android application, which currently is in closed testing. That's okay. So the whole idea behind this page is I need 12 testers to test my apps for 14 days, which means I have to open it up every single day and provide just a little bit of feedback. So here I'm providing the Android link to that page. The 14-day watch. This is so that you can actually track your progress. So this is just for a convenience thing, so you can come over here and check that you opened up the app and provided me feedback on day 1, and then for the next 14 days to do the same thing. The Hall of Valor. This is a place of recognition for those testers out there that I call Ravens, who join the website and the Discord and help me test these apps. they'll be recognized for specific tests that they complete or objectives, particularly something particularly impressive. They might get, I have titles in the Discord server that you can get, and that kind of thing. Then we have the QA arsenal. So the idea behind these tools is that this is going to be a list of tools that people can use to actually test the website or the programs, etc. So we have a toggle mobile viewport. So if you're using it on desktop, you might want to click that. It'll shrink the screen down to the size of a cell phone and just make it a little bit easier so you don't have to go open it up on your cell phone. System specs, that's just a copy and paste. Gives us your system specifications for your bug report, which you can then dispatch into. You can send it to me via email, or you can send it to the Discord and on the guild channel. So kind of cool. So here you can report your bugs. Just select your project, Nomad Navigator, Factor Hunter, the website. Select what kind of issue you're reporting, and then scroll down. You can launch the report. That'll send it to my email or to the Discord. This is just a communications link for convenience to the Discord. Just click on that and it'll take you straight to an invite link. Accept the invite, agree to the guild rules, and then you can communicate with me and other testers. And like I said, I'm sure pretty soon we'll all have a pretty professional team here to test your apps, and you can test ours or test mine, and that'll be awesome. So yeah, all right, so that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and head over to Andy's Dev Studio.pages.dev and leave a comment and let me know what you think and what you want to see more of in these videos. And like I said, I'm just getting started, so I apologize for the quality. I know it's bad lighting. I just got off work, so I'm a little tired, and but that's all right. We're gonna keep pushing forward. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, thanks, bye.
This is that ice cold Michelle Pfeiffer and White Gold.